were trying to figure out what we could afford, being this close to Victoria. Nothing in the surrounding areas seemed to work as far as a single-family home. And then the next option would have been a condo. And that really didn't appeal to us at all. When we decided on a mobile home, you don't expect it to be better than the home that you have before. You don't expect to upgrade into a mobile home. And that's exactly what happened for us. Since we started this process, I've found that there's more and more mobile homes that have been renovated by Knightway in our immediate area. Some of the homes are renovated and some of them are brand new. And the quality that we found in our home is exactly what you'd find in one of the new builds from Knightway as well. When we came down and viewed it, it was perfect. It was just what we wanted. There was an older mobile home on it, not in pristine condition by any stretch of the imagination. So going into it, everything had to be stripped down inside the home and outside the home. Took it right down to the studs. I was able to have them move walls, and we utilized the extension totally differently than what it was used for before. Gave ourselves a big storage room, afforded more room to the kitchen, and it also allowed us to have a large master ensuite bathroom and a great big walk-in closet. My husband is a great cook, and I really wanted him to have his dream kitchen. And because my son is a cabinet maker, Knightway allowed us the flexibility to use him directly as the cabinet maker on the job. And we came out with the perfect kitchen for us. We didn't expect going into the process that we were going to be able to have that much personalization. It was really important to us to only have to deal with Knightway and not deal with a bunch of subcontractors. So it was a really easy process because we got all the information from one source. We knew the quality of work was going to be consistent throughout the whole process. They were able to come up with a pricing that was absolutely perfect for us, and everything was all-inclusive. We knew when we started what we were going to end up paying, and it just made it very easy for us.